Betty dressings are on sale. BOGO at $3.99, and there is a $1 off a bottle rebate, making them just $1 a bottle. These Oxy are on sale. I'm pretty sure it's in the current flyer, green flyer, extra savings flyer, so you only have a little bit left on this. There's a $1 off one coupon. I'll put the link to it below, making them $2.19. Avocados are on sale, 4 for $5. I cannot remember. It's for 75 cents off when you buy 3. I'll put the link below. Great deal on these Philadelphia cream cheese sticks. They are on sale, 3 for $5, and there's an Ibotta rebate for 50 cents off, making them just $1.17 a piece. We eat these in our tacos. I get the black beans and rice and put them in our tacos, and my kids like the cilantro and lime rice as well. But these are BOGO this week. No coupon, but yummy. I'm gonna try that creamy avocado. BOGO at $1.69 or $1.89, $1.19 for the yellow rice. Just depends on which ones you want. Come pick them up. My faves, potato inspirations on sale, the organic variety. Looks like, I don't know if the regular is. When I get over to the vegetable, I'll double check, but definitely the organic variety, BOGO at $3.99. Organic variety only of the potato inspirations are on sale. Alright, print out those A1A Mission coupons again. Mission flour tortillas are on sale, BOGO at $3.09. These are the burrito ones. Buy 2, use 2 of the $1 off one coupon, pay $1.09 for 2, or if you're in a half a BOGO area like I am today, I only have to pick up 1, which is sweet because I never wind up using the second for some reason. Alright, Easter is coming, and we got a couple of Easter deals going on now. We will start with the Mars variety packs are on sale. BOGO at $3.79. Buy 2, use $1 off 2 coupon from your Save 37 insert, and pay $1.40 a bag. It's an awesome deal on those. We also have Dove chocolate promises on sale, BOGO. The $1 off 2 coupon in your Save 37 works on those as well. They are part of the Mars family, and they come to $1.90 a piece when you buy 2 and use 1 coupon. Alright, stock up on mac and cheese. Let me show you the one that my kiddos found the other night. This one, Velveeta with bacon. They said yes, it's a go. Alright, so the Cracker Barrel and the Velveeta macaroni and Kraft macaroni and cheese are on sale, BOGO. Cracker Barrel mac and cheese has a $1.50 off Ibotta rebate, and the Kraft mac and cheese has a $1 Ibotta rebate. And these are both up to 5 times, and both qualify for stocking spree. So, you're going to get a $4.49 credit for every 2 that you purchase towards your stocking spree for the Cracker Barrel, and then $3.89 for the Kraft. So I guess that's why the Kraft Ibotta rebate is less, because it costs less. So it would be $1.89 for 2 boxes after your Ibotta rebate. And then this one is going to be $1.49 for 2 boxes. So this still comes out better. Yeah, still comes out better. 75 cents a box for this one. So I am going to pick up 5 of these. Yeah, I'm in Georgia, so I can pick up 5 of these. And might do a couple of these as well. And then don't forget to submit to stocking spree, because you get a credit on your stocking spree for these as well. Okay guys, I was just looking at my Ibotta rebates, and it looks like there's a bonus if you buy 5 of these. If you redeem the offer 5 times, you get an additional $1.50 back, and it's valid on these, and these. So I kind of did a mix and match, because I know my guys like the bacon Velveeta one. So I got 3 Cracker Barrel and 2 bacon, and I'm gonna see what happens. I've never done like a bonus on a bottom before. It's crazy, but let's see. Mueller's pastas are on sale. BOGO at $1.69. There's a 55-cent off 2 coupon in your Smart Source. $2.28. Buy 2, use 1. 55-cent off 2 coupon and pay just 57 cents a piece. The coupon doesn't expire until 4/14, so dig back in that Smart Source. $2.28 for it. These crustaceous pancake mixes or waffle mixes on sale. BOGO at $2.79. There's a $1 off 1 Ibotta rebate. Buy 2, submit to Ibotta twice, pay 40 cents a piece. Okay guys, soft soap body wash is on sale, or body scrub. These body scrubs, actually this blackberry sugar is coming in my cart. On sale. BOGO $4.99. There is a $1 off 1 coupon in your 3/7 save insert, and then look in your stores and see if you find this $4 off 4 Colgate Tear Pad coupon. So buy 4, use 4 of the $1 off coupon, 1 of the $4 off 4 coupon, and pay $1 a piece. Ken's dressing is on sale. BOGO at $3.75. They are all $3.75. It looks like there is an Ibotta rebate for 75 cents back on the vinaigrette, and there is a 65-cent Ibotta rebate on the other varieties of the dressing. There's also a $2 off 2 coupon found in your Smart Source 3/7. So buy 2, $3.75, use 1 of the $2 off 2 coupon and pay 88 cents a piece, and then submit to Ibotta, and it's going to be under a quarter a piece for these guys. These Townhouse crackers are on sale again this week. If you are a KFR Rewards member, I'm going to put that link below. If you're not, you can sign up. But they had a $1 off 2 coupon come by email yesterday. I bought 2, used the $1 off 2 coupon, paid $2.79 at the register, and then there is a 75-cent Ibotta rebate. Alright guys, I was digging and found this Castello cheese coupon last Friday, and I posted this deal early Friday for y'all, but the coupon has since run out of prints. So if you didn't print it last Friday or Saturday when it was available, you're kind of out of luck on this deal. But the Castello cheeses are on sale. BOGO, the Havarti cheese is $6.59. The coupon is $3 off any Havarti product that is Castello. So you can pick up any of these if you printed the coupon. Buy 2, use 2, and pay just 30 cents a piece. Also, there is a $1 Ibotta rebate on this Castello cheese, so you can also get $1 back from Ibotta, so it's a small money maker.